Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. Today, we are diving into the world of hyperlinks with the A tag. Let's get started. The A tag is used to create hyperlinks, allowing users to navigate between the web pages. Here's is a basic example. A href with Christ University web link, ALT equal to website not found. Closing anchor tag. In between that, we have visit Christ University. The most important attribute of A element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. Href stands for Hypertext Reference and specifies the destination of the link. Here, it directs user to http christuniversity.in website. The text visit Christ University between the opening and closing A tags is what user sees at the clickable link. Let's write it in the editor. Have a basic structure of HTML document, and let's add the same example in the body tag. Save your file. Open the file in the browser. You can see Visit Christ University, which is underlined and blue. When you click on this link, you will be redirected to Christ University homepage. Observe here, the university homepage is opened in the same tab. The A tag supports several attributes to enhance the functionality. One such attribute is target, which specifies where the link document will open. Let us use the target in our example. Ahref equal to Christ University link and target equal to within the double quotes underscore blank. Save your file. Refresh your page. In this case, target equal to blank opens the link document in a new browser tab. This can be useful for keeping users on your website while allowing them to access external content. Observe, links will appear as follows in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. You can also link to specific sections within a web page using the ID tag, which is combined with the href attribute. Check here. Href is connected to h2 tag heading by specifying its ID as a value to href. ahref equal to section 2, h2 id equal to section 2. By assigning the id attribute to a particular section, you can create internal links that directs users to that specific part of the page. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the HTML tag. Remember, mastering this element is crucial for building navigable and interactive websites. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.